Hi guys, this is Pat with 3D Wonders. In my last video, I took a sneak peek of the EinScan Libre and we did a demo scan at the Palace of Fine Arts. If you missed it, it's right here. Ever since the Arctic Leo came out, we knew that Shining 3D is going to come up with their own solution, a high-performance wireless 3D scanner. And Libre is the answer. We're so excited to show you what's inside the box. So this is the case it comes in. A sturdy Pelican case, weight about 30 pounds. It's a carry-on size, so you can travel with it. Let's see what's inside. First, we see this black envelope. It's the quick start guide. When you buy this 3D scanner, you should go through it. Then we see this calibration certificate. It shows you all the tests that EinScan Libre went through before leaving the factory. And last year, I got invited by the CEO of Shining 3D and visited their lab. It was amazing. They had a lot of equipment just to ensure the accuracy of the 3D scanner. Now you see this is the EinScan Libre and all the accessories, and we're going to go through them one by one. So we have the EinScan Libre and all the accessories on the table. So as you know, this is the guy, the EinScan Libre. We used it in our last demo video. So the EinScan Libre comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. Each battery gives you about 1.5 hours scanning time. To charge the battery, there are 2 options. While the battery is inside the Libre, you can connect with using this USB-C and the adapter, and it's just like charging your phone. The second option is to put the backup battery in this smart charger and using this cable, and you can charge this battery while you're using the Libre. For data transfer, we have 2 options. One is, as usual, you can use this USB-C for data transfer. For high-speed transfer, you can use this Ethernet cable. This is the quick start guide. It's inside a USB. You can read through it and learn how to use the Libre. And going to this side, you can see there are a lot of items here. So this is a calibration bar, and there are 6 calibration forks. We'll show you the calibration process in the next video. And here, as usual, you will receive thousands of markers and a scraper. That's it, guys. These are the accessories that come with EinScan Libre in the box. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about EinScan Libre or reverse engineering, please reach out to 3D Wonders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome scanning tips and ideas. See you next time.